Good morning, I'm Eliazar Ortega, 17 years working as an employee. I have a son na nagsuffer ng asthma for 13 long years. So, every month, halos nandyan kami sa hospital dahil sa kanyang malalang asthma. So, thank God, I meet Lifestyle product, especially Intra. Kung nag-take siya ng Intra, 3 bote lang, yung asthma niya is talagang nawawala. And until now, for 7 years, hindi na kami nakabalik sa hospital. Intra talaga yung tinitake niya, tsaka napakagaling. Nawala yung asthma niya, at saka tumaas pa yung mga grades niya sa kanyang school. So, sa lahat ng mga nandyan na gusto mag-take ng product, napakaganda ng benefit niyan. At ako mismo, because I'm a worker, talagang nakakapagod, especially yung may mga maraming overtime. Napakaganda ng i-take yung Intra. Yung energy level mo, talagang mataas yung energy level mo throughout the day and even through the night. So, take Intra now and be healthy. Thank you and good morning.